Hello everyone, it is day 2 of my accountability day, doing what I said I'm going to do, and I'm going to introduce you to my lunch. As an MS patient, it's very important that you watch what you eat as well as physical activity and know what you're eating. So I'm going to start off with my lunch, which is a juice that is made of, with my Vita mixer. It's going to have wheatgrass. I use about a scoop of that. I have cashew milk. I have just date syrup as opposed to sugar or even honey. Raw honey is fine. I use the flaxseed organic, pure, unrefined, cold pressed flaxseed oil. I have my vegan protein, which is this one. I'm doing the salted caramel. It is really yummy. And then I'm going to add in this delicious spinach that is organic. I have banana. I have pineapple, and I have celery. So with the mixer, the first thing you do is you put the wet ingredients in first. So with that being said, I'm going to add a few drops of the, kind of do this with one hand. I'm going to add a few drops of the actual, well, that's not even a drop, date syrup. I don't like it too sweet. Then I'm going to add in there the cold pressed flaxseed. Okay, a squirt of that. Then I'm going to add in the actual cashew milk. And this is going to make for maybe 2 or 3 times for me. I might have it for dinner. Then I'm going to add my scoop of wheatgrass. And then with that, I'm gonna have to put you down for a second. No, you'll just go with me on this journey. I thought I had everything set out for you, but hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna use 1 scoop of my salted caramel protein. Yummy. And then you add the veggies, the dry goods. You do the liquid first and then the dry goods. So I'm going to add in this delicious spinach. And of course, I wash my hands before I make my food. So just letting you know, for safety precautions, I do wash my hands. And I did wash my hands before I started this. And then with that, I'm going to now add in my celery. I love celery. I love it. And then the rest I can just dump it in there. I hope I don't make a big mess. But that's my banana, 1 banana, organic, and then organic pineapple chunks. Then I'm going to add that into the blender. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to watch this sucker go. Start it out at low speed.